Guys, I couldn't do that. Big back rooms. Yeah, bridge. Yes. Okay, let's do this. What? I got distortion. Oh yes, sir. I got a whopper. Energy rifle. That's good. Revolver and energy rifle. Oh shit, that's not a good time. He's gonna spam crossbow, seriously? Brother, seriously? He's just AFK. Okay. That's a shotgun. Okay, that's good. Oof, guys, I don't want to play this so much. I'm just gonna play a normal private server. I'm just gonna train my skills and I did not die. Okay, that's my best thing to do. Yeah, all that. So guys, do not mind the sound in the background because my brother watching that stupid video. I can actually change the tags. If you all don't know something, the private server owners can change you tags. Actually. So guys, what I can do is I can do station. Yeah, station is good. Guys, second of all, I'm also gonna tell you how to get the jump charging station. First, you gotta learn how to sight this thing out. At this corner, I think so. Like that corner, like there. Guys, all can see. That is the thing. Yeah, exactly. That is what it should be. And that is where it's located. Go to the gate, which is gonna be like right over here. Get your sight out. As you all can see, there it is. And second of all, you can also use Warhorn if you like it. Or else, what also you can do is that is exactly where it is. Right now, go into this house. There should be, yep, exactly. Get up, go up there. You gotta learn how to parkour. Really good for this. As you all can see, that is the jump shot. I couldn't get it, I guess. You just gotta go into the house beside the gate, or else you just use the side dash at least. Oh shit. Okay. You can do that. Guys, I'm not cheating. I promise this is like one of the best. Oh, 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 fun. Of course I will. So, guys, next thing. How to how to cook using energy rifle side my loadout right now. Okay, okay, see right okay. Get these crates, right? Okay, okay. That is also not the goal really. We can actually come out of the gate, but like it's hard. Just do the side dash ability. 3, 2, 1, go. And that is like we can just get out of the gate. That's what I like about this game, guys. You can actually not exactly glitch. You can actually cook using. No, now how to cook using both of these weapons, I'm gonna teach you that. So this is the station map, right? Now just come up here, get up here, jump. So you all can see that is not the green zone. Okay, all can see. I kinda cook in these type of matches. So guys, like actually, you can go on the tracks because that's it on the map. So bye bye.